First, you'll need a middle part. Now you're gonna section off your bangs into a triangle subsection. You'll start the tip of the triangle right about here. It can kind of be wherever. You just don't wanna start it too far back and have all of this be bangs. Where the triangle should end is at the peak of your eyebrow. So like this, just going down and then match the other side. See how that's a triangle? Now you'll want to clip all this back so you don't accidentally cut into it. I'm gonna wet mine, but you can cut them dry. So now that you have your triangle, we're gonna take a vertical sliver down the middle, just like this. Put these two pieces to the side. We're gonna cut our guide with this middle piece. This is going to be the shortest part of your bang. Comb this straight down and find a reference point on your face. I'm gonna use the tip of my nose. Combing it down, taking little crab claws, little pinchers, coming in here, and it's hugging your face. It's not out here, it's right here. You're gonna cut parallel to your fingers. Your fingers are straight across, horizontal, so you're cutting horizontal. This part is going to be your guide for the sides. Now cut this in half and move half of it to one side and grab the rest of your hair from the other side. Now we're gonna cut at a diagonal. We cut horizontal, now we're gonna this way. Our finger position is going to match our diagonal line here. So line is diagonal, fingers are diagonal, cutting diagonal. Comb this in, take your fingers, diagonal. You're looking for this little tip, which is your guide. We're gonna be cutting a diagonal line down. I'll try to move my fingers so you can see, but it's diagonal. So when you release this, you have short going to long, just like that. Now all you have to do is match the other side. Same thing, diagonal line, finger position is diagonal, cutting diagonal. Your little guide is the tip to tell you where to start. Combing it down, here we go. Finger position diagonal, cutting position diagonal, meeting my guide, which is the tip. And again, my hair is hugging the face. It's not out here. Now we're gonna check for balance. So you're just gonna take these two sides and feel and make sure they're even. To refine the line where it's not so blunt, you're gonna point cut it. You just do that by taking it the same angle and going up, down, up, down, up, down. This will feather and soften the line. You're just doing the ends. I keep mine pretty blunt because my hair is so thin. Now, if you have a disconnect where the bang is meeting the length, you can take some of this down and point cut to blend that in, this disconnect where it's short going to long. And to style these, I just use this mammoth thing and I'll give it some volume with a little whoop.